मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप you all are fine. Okay, my dear. Have you listened the previous video of ours, that Kasaki lesson? Have you all read the lesson? It's very difficult, I know that. Then even no other way. Okay, my dear kids, I need to finish this lesson. Otherwise, if I know first even means this much page is there, I didn't find out. Okay, no problem. Only this lesson is very big. After that, small lessons we will take. Okay, my dear, because it's already too late, so we can't continue according to the lessons. So I'll take the lessons according to your level. Okay, my dear. Okay, let's continue. Page number 6. Everyone take page number 6. Write today's date there. What is the date today? 8/10/2020. And what is the date today? Down of that you should write. Okay, I forgot to write here, so I am writing now. So copy this on your textbook. Today's day is Guruvar, Thursday. Okay. Then we will continue. Okay, listen carefully. मैं दौड़ता हुआ घर गया, लेकिन अम्मा जी को कुछ कहने के बदले बिलक बिलक कर रोने लगा। अम्मा जी रसोई के बाहर निकलकर पूछने लगी, क्या हुआ बेटा, किसने मारा? बाबूजी ने कुछ कहा है? अच्छा रह तो जाओ, आज घर आते हैं तो पूछती हूँ। See, when I am reading, please read with me and try to read, my dear kids. Okay. Where what we learned, Kasaki, because of taking Hiran for Premchand, one day he came very late, and Premchand's father told him not to come. He dismissed him, isn't it? From job, he dismissed him. He don't want to come hereafter, like that he told. So Premchand was very sad and he was coming to home. So he is coming inside and he was made दौड़ता हुआ घर गया. I was running and coming to home, लेकिन अम्मा जी को कुछ कहने के बदले, without saying to everything to my mother, what he was doing, बिलक बिलक कर रोने लगा. बिलक बिलक कर रोना, weep. He was weeping. Okay, weeping. He was weeping. Weeping means one type of crying. He was not saying anything and he was crying. And then अम्मा जी रसोई के बाहर निकल कर पूछने लगी. He was in, where was his mother? She is in kitchen. रसोई, kitchen. She was in kitchen, and by hearing her voice, hearing his voice, she is coming outside and asking, क्या हुआ बेटा? What happened, my son? किसने मारा? Who beat you? मारा, beat. Who bet you? Why are you crying? बाबूजी ने कुछ कहा है? Whether your father has told anything? Father scolded, like that she is asking. अच्छा रह तो जाओ. Okay, no problem. आज घर आते हैं तो पूछती हूँ. Today he will come to home now, I will ask, like that. She is thinking that his father scolded and for that only Premchand is crying, like that. She is asking whether your father told anything. Why are you crying? No problem, if when he will come to home, I will ask to him, like that. She is telling, जब देखो मेरे लड़के को मारा करते हैं. Then she is telling that when she is scolding her husband, what? Every time he is beating my son, like that. She is telling, जब देखो मेरे लड़के को मारा करते हैं. Whenever he is beating my son, like that. He is telling, चुप रहो बेटा. Okay, my dear son, please keep silent. अब तुम उनके पास कभी मत जाना. Don't go near to him, like that. She is thinking that his father has beaten him, like that. She is thinking, and she is telling that why he is beating, every time he is beating my son. Okay, my dear son, you चुप रहो, you be silent. अब तुम उनके पास कभी मत जाना. Hereafter you don't want to go near to him. Then next, मैंने बड़ी मुश्किल से आवाज़ संभाल कर कहा. Then after that, because her mother is thinking that his father only is beaten, isn't it? So he is controlling his voice and telling संभाल कर, control. He is controlling his voice and telling Kazaki, only Kazaki he told, okay, only Kazaki. Then Amma ने समझा Kazaki ने मारा है. Then she thought that Kazaki beaten him. So like that she is thinking. मैंने जल्दी से कहा नहीं, Kazaki ने नहीं मारा, बाबूजी ने उसे निकाल दिया. Then he is telling, no, Kazaki didn't beat me. बाबूजी, father has removed him from job. Like that he is telling. निकाला, not that, निकाल, sorry my dear kids, निकाल दिया, removed, ओके. बाबूजी ने उसे निकाल दिया. ही हैज़ रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द जॉब. यह तुम्हारे बाबूजी ने बहुत बुरा किया. दिस वन ही हैज़ डन इज़ वेरी बैड. वह बेचारा अपने काम में इतने चौकस रहता है. ही इज़ वेरी दैट पुअर मैन, पुअर, बेचारा, पुअर, चौकस, correct or alert. He is very correct in his job. He is telling that poor man, he is very alert in his, very correct in his work. Then even why your father has done like this? फिर उसे क्यों निकाला? Then why he has removed that man like that? अम्मा ने पूछा. मैंने कहा आज उसे देर हो गई थी. टुडे ही केम लेट. यह कहकर मैंने हिरण के बच्चे को गोद से उतार लिया. देन बाई सेइंग दैट आई हैज़ टेकन द, हु वाज विथ हिम, प्रेमचंद, दैट बेबी ऑफ डियर, isn't it? So he has taken that, he kept that baby down. Then घर में उसके फाग जाने का फाइन आता. He is not having fear that that baby will run away somewhere, because inside the home only na, so he can't, that deer can't go away. So he kept him down. अब तक अम्मा जी की निगाह भी उस पर न पड़ी थी. टिल दैट टाइम हिज मदर डिडंट सी दैट, बिकॉज दैट ही डिडंट सी, शी डिडंट सी दैट हु इज देयर, दैट डियर इज देयर. निगाह, look, she didn't even look at that Hiran, because she was anxiously thinking about his son. He was crying. Why he was crying like that? She didn't see that Hiran. So after that what happened? उसे फुदकते देखकर वह सहसा जम पड़ी. When that Hiran was down, and what the deer will do? Deer will jump, isn't it? फुदकते, jump. When the Hiran was jumping, he by seeing that he Amma became very scared by seeing that Hiran was, that deer was jumping. और लपक कर मेरे हाथ पकड़ लिया. देन सडनली शी केम एंड कैच्ड माई हैंड. कहीं यह भयंकर जीव मुझे काट न जाए. शी इज थिंकिंग दैट दिस एनिमल इज गोइंग टू going to bite his son, like bite her son, like that she is thinking, and she is running and catching the hand of Premchand. Then मैं कहाँ तो फूट कर रो रहा था. till that time that Premchand was crying. And after that what happened? कहाँ अम्मा की घबराहट देखकर, by seeing the scaredness of his mother, he started laughing. He started laughing. खिला कर हंस पड़ा. He started laughing. Till that day he was crying, and after that when that mother has seen that Hiran and deer, and by seeing that she felt that it is going to bite my son, like that she felt. So she rushed and caught his hand. So after seeing that till that time that Premchand was crying, after seeing that his mother is crying, what he felt? He felt happy, he felt smiling, he felt laugh, like that he was laughing. Then after that what happened? अम्मा के पूछने पर मैंने हिरण के बच्चा का सारा इतिहास और उसका भीषण परिणाम आदि से अंत तक कह सुनाया. नेक्स्ट पैरा सी माय डियर चिल्ड्रन. अम्मा के पूछने पर मैंने हिरण के बच्चे का सारा इतिहास और उसका भीषण परिणाम आदि से अंत तक कह सुनाया. After that, what happening? The mother is asking about this Kiran, who is this, like that, and then this Premchand started saying everything about Hiran. Then after that, he is telling what Kasaki 5-6 घंटे तक इसके पीछे दौड़ता रहा. After that, he is telling this Kasaki was nearly 5 to 6 hours he was running behind this deer. After that only he caught that deer. तब कहीं जाकर बच्चा मिला. Then whenever where he went, don't know. After that only he got this baby of hiran, baby of deer. So he spent 5 to 6 hours after that 5 to 6 hours for catching this deer. Because of that only that man came very late today. अम्मा जी, कसाकी की तरफ कोई दुनिया भर में नहीं दौड़ सकता. अम्मा, like Kasaki, no one can run like this to catch this baby, because for me only he ran and caught this baby, that baby of deer. Because of that only Kasaki today came very late. इसलिए बाबूजी ने बेचारे को निकाल दिया. Because of this only father has removed him from job. अब बेचारा क्या करेगा? What he will do? फूको मर जाएगा. Because he is not coming for job means no money it will be, isn't it? So because of hungry he will die. Like that this Premchand is telling and crying. अम्मा ने पूछा, कहाँ है Kasaki? जरा उसे बुला तो लाओ. Then she is telling, where is that Kasaki? Call that Kasaki and come. Like that she is telling. Then मैंने कहा, I told, बाहर खड़ा है. He is standing outside. कहता था, अम्मा जी से मेरा कहा सुना माफ़ कर देना. Then he is telling that if anything I have done to your mother, please tell her to forgive me. Like that he told na before the class we turned, when he was going telling to Premchand that tell your mother that I am going, and if anything I have done fault for her, tell her to forgive me. Like that he is telling, isn't it? Like that this man also, this Premchand also telling to his mother. Then next page, 7th page. अब तक अम्मा जी मेरे वृत्तांत को दिल की समझ रही थी. Till now this what he was telling, that explanations, वृत्तांत, explanation. वृत्तांत. Then दिल्लगी, joke, fun. Till now this Premchand's father was thinking that this man is telling some joke or something. Like that she felt. After that at last he told like tell your mother to forgive me. After hearing that, शायद वह समझती थी कि बाबूजी ने Kasaki को डांटा होगा. लेकिन मेरा अंतिम वाक्य सुनकर संशय हुआ कि सचमुच तो Kasaki बर्खास्त नहीं कर दिया गया. Then he is telling that after that when Premchand was explaining about everything, till that time she was thinking that maybe he was telling some fun or joke like that. After that when he told that Kasaki told tell your mother to forgive me if I have done any fault. By hearing that he felt she found out that it really that Premchand's father has removed that man. बाहर आकर कसाकी पुकारने लगी, पर कसाकी का पता वहीं पता न था. मैंने बार बार पुकारा लेकिन कसाकी वहाँ न था. Then what happened? Then she came outside and she was calling Kasaki. Then even he was not there. Then that Premchand also louderly he asked, called. Then even Kasaki he was not there. Then दूसरे दिन next day मैं दिन भर अपने हिरण के बच्चे की सेवा सत्कार में व्यस्त रहा. Then after that Premchand got one friend, isn't it, that hiran, that baby of hiran, deer. So he was very busy in that playing with that deer only. Next day he was very busy with that hiran. पहले उसका नामकरण संस्कार हुआ. फर्स्ट ही वॉज थिंकिंग टू कीप वन नेम फॉर that deer. Munnu नाम रखा गया. Then after that what name he has kept? Munnu. फिर मैंने उसका अपने सब हमजोलियों और सहपाठियों से परिचय कराया. Then after that he introduced to his friends and also relatives or that place who and all is there. To everyone he showed that hiran and he introduced him. Then दिन ही फर में वह मुझसे इतना खुल मिल गया कि मेरे पीछे पीछे दौड़ने लगा. Within some days they became so friends and he was running, that hiran was running behind this Premchand always. लेकिन संध्या होते ही मैं सब कुछ छोड़कर सड़क पर जा खड़ा हुआ और कसाकी की बाट जोहने लगा. Then what happened? Whatever play he is playing with the hiran, even what is happening at the time when the Kasaki used to come, that time he suddenly go near to the road and he was waiting for Kasaki. He was waiting for Kasaki. बाट जोहने लगा. बाट जोहने लगा means waiting. Then sahavadiyam. Here sahavadiyam we didn't write. Friends. So whatever work is there, even when the time the Kasakis used to come, that time he used to go to the road and he was anxiously waiting for Kasaki. Then next, जानता था कि Kasaki निकाल दिया गया है. Know that Kasaki has removed from the job. Then even अब उसे आने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं रही. He don't want to come here. He don't have any use to come here because for work only he used to come, isn't it? Now he is not in work, so no use. Then even फिर न जाने मुझे क्यों यह आशा हो रही थी कि वह आ रहा है. Then even my mind is telling that maybe he will come, like that he is feeling and he is going to road and he was waiting for him. एकाएक, third line, see my dear kids, एकाएक मुझे ख्याल आया कि कसाकी फूको मर रहा होगा. Then after that at once, एकाएक, at once he felt like maybe because of not having job he will die because of hungry. मैं तुरंत घर आया. Then suddenly he came inside the home. अम्मा दिया बत्ती कर रही थी. What her mother was lighting the lamps, evening time, so she was lighting the lamps. मैंने चुपके से एक टोकरी में आटा निकाला. Then he went inside the kitchen slowly without making any noise. Hidely he was doing. He was taking one basket and he was keeping some atta. Atta means that flour, wheat flour is there now. That atta he was keeping inside that. आटा हाथों में लपेटे टोकरी से गिरते आटे की एक लकीर बनाता हुआ फाग कर सड़क पर खड़ा हुआ ही ताकि कसाकी सामने से आता दिखलाई दिया. आटा हाथों में लपेटे टोकरी से गिरते आटे की एक लकीर बनाता हुआ फाग कर सड़क पर खड़ा हुआ ही ताकि कसाकी सामने से आता दिखलाई दिया. What is happening when he was keeping the atta inside the basket? Everything was going down. He is small boy now, so it was coming down. When he is going inside, taking that basket and coming outside, it was like a line. So he didn't find out that it was like a line behind him. It was falling from the hand like that. मैं दौड़ कर then by taking that basket and he is coming outside, he is seeing that Kasaki is coming. So by seeing Kasaki itself, मैं दौड़ कर उसकी कमर से चिपट गया. What he is doing by seeing Kasaki itself, he is going and holding his hip and standing. He was felt very happy and he was holding his hip. Kasaki बोला, यह आटा कैसा है भैया? How is it wheat flour? Is it enough for you? Like that he is asking to Kasaki. Kasaki is asking. Kasaki बोला यह आटा कैसा है भैया? Kasaki is asking from where you got this wheat flour like that? मैंने कुचाते हुए तुम्हारे ही लिए तो लाया हूँ. For you only I brought this one. तुम भूखे होगे, आज क्या खाया होगा? You will be very hungry ना. Today what you ate? Like that he is asking. That small boy he is asking. Kasaki की आंखों में तो तो आंखों तो मैंने देख न सका, उसके कंधों पर बैठा हुआ. Then after that he was sitting on his shoulder. He used to sit on his shoulder, isn't it? So when he was sitting his shoulder only, he is telling. So this Kasaki was crying by hearing that this small boy is telling that because of not having job you will be very hungry. So for you only I brought this wheat flour. By hearing that, this Kasaki became so sad. हाँ, उसकी आवाज़ से मालूम हुआ कि उसका गला फर आया है. By hearing that this boy is telling like this, Kasaki became so sad. बोलो फैया क्या रूखी रोटियां ही खाऊंगा. Then even he is making him fun like only dry chapati I have to eat. Ruki rotiam means that chapati, wheat flour. Using wheat flour what we will prepare? Roti, that maida roti like that. Chapati, only dry roti I have to eat, like that he is asking. Dal, namak. Dal means, ruki means dry. Dal means dal, pulse. Then namak means salt. Then ghee means ghee only. Ghee. Yeah, he is asking only dry wheat, dry chapati I have to eat. That pulse, that salt, that ghee and all you are not giving. You don't have. Like that he is asking. Okay, my dear kids, that's enough for today. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. Okay. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.